Creaking and clicking coming from your seat post can be quite annoying. We're going to show you several tips on how to fix this problem. Take a small piece of tape, wrap it around just above the seat post clamp so you'll know how far to reinsert the seat. Remove the seat. Clean the seat post with degreaser. Get all that dirt and grime off. Next, remove the seat post binder. Clean that, as well as the inside of the seat tube. Regrease the post, or use fiber grip if you're dealing with carbon fiber. Reinsert the post to the point at which you have the tape. Take a hex key, tighten slightly, and then adjust the tip of the seat so it's directly over the seat post and pointing forward. Finally, tighten the seat post clamp with a torque wrench to the manufacturer's specification. Too loose, the seat's going to slide down. Too tight, you're going to damage the seat post, especially if it's carbon. If those measures fail, you can use a little bit of a liquid lubricant. I use silicone spray from Napa, and you can spray right where the rails meet the seat, as well as where the rails contact the seat post, and give that a try. Still noisy? Make sure the seat is within the fore-aft limits of the rails. Most modern seats have marks on the rails themselves. Also, go ahead and make sure that the bolt on the seat post is properly tightened. I prefer using a torque wrench on the seat bolt. Over tightening will result in possibly a cracked seat bolt and the seat coming apart while riding, or damage, especially if you're using carbon fiber. If your saddle bolt is tight and you continue to have some movement or wobble in the seat itself, it may indicate a defective or worn saddle bolt or defective or worn seat, and you may want to see your mechanic for possible replacement. Some suggest if the squeaking still continues to go ahead and remove the saddle from the post and clean and lube the rails, which is the subject of another video. If all else fails and the squeaking or creaking still persists, it's time to look for other things. Those include pedals, chain bolts, bottom bracket, and other parts of your drivetrain. If you have any other suggestions, please comment. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.